Good morning, boys. I'm here to take your moral science class, and the name of the chapter is Magical Words. A well behaved child is liked by all. A child likes to make friendship with other children who have courtesy and good manners. Therefore, courtesy costs nothing but buys everything. I will read the chapter for you. Kindly pay attention. A well mannered child is liked by all. Good manners and good personality go together. A child likes to make friendship with children who have courtesy and good manners. I will read the story now for you. Sonam was a rude girl. She always remained annoyed. Her behavior was quite bad. Because of this, she did not have friends. One day, she saw children playing in the colony park. She also wanted to play, so she went to them. She said, I want to play with you all. The children replied, Sorry, we don't want to play with you. Saying this, they all went away. Sonam became very sad. She returned back home and said to her mother, Other children do not want to play with me. They are bad. At this, her mother said, They are not bad. You are bad. You are rude and always look annoyed. You need to improve yourself. The words of the mother had a deep effect on Sonam. She decided to become good. Then onwards, whenever she saw children, she behaved well with them. She learned to say words like please, thank you, and sorry. She became friendly and courteous. As days passed, she completely changed herself and became a good friend to all. Children, in this world, nobody is perfect. All of you must be having some or the other weakness. You should overcome your weaknesses by improving yourself. Now, let me tell you, boys, that children, nobody is perfect, as everybody has some or the other weakness. So, like Sonam, she was such a rude girl and she never had friends and she could never adjust with other boys and girls of her age. She kept her mood low and she always used to feel annoyed. So, we must learn to obey our parents, whatever they teach us, we must learn to inculcate in our lives so that we can be a better human being. Therefore, we should all try to overcome our weaknesses by improving ourselves. Good manners and courtesy are like jewels. They attract people. Always be courteous and learn to use magical words because these words are really magic. like please, thank you, and sorry. Moral of the story is, when you ask somebody for something, you must always say please. These are good manners, and you should make this your moral in life. When somebody gives you something, say thank you or thanks. When you commit a mistake, say sorry. When somebody asks, how are you? You should say, fine, thank you. When somebody says thank you to you, you should reply by saying welcome. When somebody is about to leave, you should say bye. You should greet your grandparents, parents, teachers, uncles, aunts, and all elders. Always obey and respect them. You can greet your teachers by saying good morning or good afternoon. You may greet the other elders accordingly to your family custom. Boys, I have read the chapter for you, and for your homework, you will read the chapter, and then after, I will give you the following question and answers and exercises. First, you read the lesson well. Thank you.